Hello friends, and welcome to another Mastering YouTube video. I say another, this is actually my first one. But today we are going to talk about 4 tips to mastering YouTube in 2021. Now, my tips have come from over 2 years of me being on YouTube. You guys may have already been following me on my main channel, which is Living with Cambria, or maybe my family vlog channel, which is Cambriea and Bobby. So with that, I have decided that I want to share with you my tips and tricks to creating a successful YouTube channel. Alright, so starting with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is going to probably be the most obvious, but I'm going to go more into detail with this, but it's picking your niche and niching down. Now, niches vary all over YouTube. If you are into cooking, that can be a niche. If you are a mom and you want to create mommy content, that's another really good niche. Other ones are gaming channels or information / how-to channels. So you're pretty much figuring out what works best for you and what you feel like you can bring to your audience when it comes to those niches. Now, one thing I feel like is not talked about much is the niching down portion of finding your niche. When I first started, I started with my Living with Cambria channel, and I wanted it to be a mommy-based channel. So I cleaned, I cooked, I did day in the lives, I did shop with me's, I did decorate with me's, I did everything that I felt worked around being a mom. Well, that did not work. I was not growing at a successful rate, and I really need to niche down. So I looked at my page, I looked at my analytics, and found out that cleaning was where I was getting my most views, my most subscribers, and all the money that I was making was coming from my cleaning videos. So I niched all the way down to cleaning content. Now, you can do this with every niche. If you are a mommy channel, you can do, like I said, cleaning. You can do cooking. You can do day in the lives. You can do homeschooling if you're a homeschool mom. Just figure out something where you can really niche down and become an authority in that one topic. Another one is like gaming. Gaming can be very broad. So what do you want to niche into? If you have a channel and you've kind of been all over the park, figure out which videos are doing best for you, like I did on my channel. But when it comes to niching down, you can do VR, virtual reality, really big right now. You can do Roblox. Roblox is huge, especially for kids. My kids are playing Roblox all the time. Maybe you want to get specific on an Xbox game or a computer game, but figure out that niche and then niche it down that you can be an authority in that niche. Now, tip number 2, stay consistent. Now, you've probably heard this before, and it's like, oh yeah, Cambriea, pick your day, pick your time, stay consistent. I'm going to get more in depth with you. Yes. Pick your day and pick your time. This is so important. If you can only do one day or one video a week, make sure that is your best video. Post it every Friday at 2 p.m. Be consistent. Now, to get a little bit more in depth, also be consistent with your video lengths. Now, you may not have heard this before, but video length is very important, especially when it comes to the algorithm. If you've looked on your back end, you will see average time on your videos. Well, if you post a 30-minute video and it gets 15 minutes of watch time, and then you post a 20-minute video and maybe that 20-minute video only gets 7 minutes of watch time, you're going to see that your other video gets bumped more because it has a larger average view time. So if you are consistent and, all right, I'm going to make 10-minute videos, you're going to keep your average watch time very consistent, because you will find that not so much minutes, but people watch an average percentage of your video. So if they watch 1/3 of your video and you post a 30-minute video and then a 10-minute video, your actual watch minutes drop. So be consistent also when it comes to your length of your videos. Figure out what you can do, what is a comfortable length. Now, I'm not saying you can't throw in a different, like a 30-minute one when you're normally 15 minutes or a 10-minute one when you're normally 15 minutes, but make sure you stay consistent as possible. Next thing is research. Once you have your niche, once you know your schedule, do the research for that niche. I'm going to go back to mommy content, but this works for all different channels. In the mommy cleaning niche, there's going to be trends. During Christmas, obviously Christmas decorating and Christmas cleaning, spring cleaning, spring deep cleaning. But you're even going to find little topics that you may not think of that are trending. Right now in the cleaning niche, I noticed that filthy house cleaning is trending. People do a filthy house clean. Those videos seem to be doing really well. Couple months back, it was disaster house cleaning, complete disaster. Those were very trendy at the time. And not always do you need to change your videos for those trends, but you need to change your titling to match those trends. So definitely do your research in your niche. That's going to be huge. And don't think just because you're being successful that you don't need to research anymore. Always research, because things are always changing. The algorithm's always changing. Trends are always changing. Things are constantly moving and evolving, and you want to evolve with it. You don't want to be behind it. Then lastly, number 4 is great thumbnails. Now, once again, thumbnails can vary from niche to niche. When it comes to mommy cleaning channels, a lot of the ones that do well are multiple photos of cleaning. So people get like a sneak peek of what you are doing in that video. And they don't want staged photos. They want like the real, show me the dirt, show me the grime, show me what you are doing. Be real. Now, when it comes to a gaming channel, those are usually ones that you want a lot of color, a lot of impact, something in your face that draws people to click it, because these are people that want that virtual reality, in your face, intense video type content. So you want something more like that. Sometimes having your face with a huge reaction will draw people in, because they want to know, oh, why is he surprised? Why is he scared? What is going on in this video? I need to know. And this can go with anything. Food. Are you into cooking? Cooking channels do great with just very pretty edited food. If I look at that photo and my mouth starts to water, I'm gonna click that thumbnail, because I want to know what you are cooking, because I already want to eat the photo I am looking at. So great thumbnails are huge. You can check out PicMonkey. A lot of people use that. I actually use Canva. Now with those are just to put the thumbnails together. The other thing I recommend is Lightroom. You can use Lightroom mobile on your PC or on your phone. And I feel like any photo you use, you want to edit it, sharpen it, brighten the colors, make it more eye-catching. Because sometimes when you just take a regular photo, it can be very dull and very boring. But you throw it into Lightroom, pop it up a bit, and it right there is going to make your thumbnails more catchy. I hope this video really helped you out. Leave in the comments below what videos you guys want to see. My goal with this channel is to tell you everything. I want to be the authority for YouTube content, and I want to make this channel a channel where you come to me for everything you need to know and not have to worry about paying $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 for a course. I plan on giving you all my tips and tricks, all my secrets, and how I grew my channel from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 2 years. Now, you may say, oh, 2 years, but trust me, YouTube is a lot of work. treat it like a job, and you can succeed as well.